Whenever you open the pink press, everybody it seems to be talking about green shoots in the economy. One of the important green shoots that these pink press, government officials, and economists have been saying is the rise in auto sales. But all is not well in auto sales, and today there was a detailed report on two wheeler sales. So let's look at the two wheeler market across the country and see what is happening. Welcome back to Be Rich. One of the big success stories tom-tommed around in all over the press was rising sales, especially in companies like Hero Motor Corp. Though Bajaj reported lesser sales than usual, everybody claimed that the rural India was consuming bikes like anything, and there will be a major improvement in sales. So I was eagerly waiting for the Ministry of Road and Transport to announce its results on exact registrations for the month of October. So once these figures were out, after some digging around, I found some information. Dealers are now very worried about retail sales. They are carrying anywhere between 45 to 60 days of inventory. That is, sales for next 60 days. Already bikes are there in their showroom and there does not seem to be great demand. This is not particular about one brand. All brands are facing the same problems. That means there is an industry-wide slowdown. Except Bajaj, Bajaj Auto, led by Rajiv Bajaj, who says sales at dealers levels are slowing down and there is a problem that they are able to sell 125cc bikes. All other companies have been talking about record sales and saying sales will continue up beyond the month of November when Diwali happens. I have been noticing that lot of dealerships of all brands have been closing down. In personally, I know of dealerships shutting down in Salem and in Kanjipuram. All across India, hundreds of dealers had shut down. All these issues happened before the pandemic. So it was not as if that the two-wheeler market went into the pandemic with its health very good. The sales of two-wheeler autos, two-wheeler bikes, gearless scooters and high-end bikes had begun to decline even before the pandemic started. The pandemic only made things better. There is an association of all dealers. It is called Federation of Automobile Dealers, FADA. Vivek Gulati is the head of FADA and he says that wholesale numbers are not reflecting the truth and retail numbers are far less than what wholesale numbers reflect. But he says dealers were bullish based on two things. They thought there will be a compressed pent up demand and then people will continue to buy during Navaratri and Diwali. We do not know exactly what is the Diwali sale, but we have results up to Navaratri. The Ministry of Road and Transport, which releases regular data on exactly on how many bikes were registered, shows that retail sales, that is end users buying from dealers, was trailing wholesalers by a huge margin, at times even 50%. That means dealers are carrying huge amount of stocks. A dealer for Hero Motors, one of the largest distributor, is now saying he is sitting with 60 days of stock, which has never happened. Basically, the bikes that are lying with him will take November and December to sell if he does not order anything from Hero. And he is under enormous pressure from Hero to buy more stocks. How many months inventory can he carry further? If the sales decline in November and December, then sales of Hero will also decline. Simply dumping stocks on dealers and hoping new dealers on dumping stocks on them is only going to postpone the inevitable. Basically, you are oversupplying the market. Another big problem what dealers are facing is banks and finance companies are not willing to lend to all customers. Before the pandemic, getting a two-wheeler loan was easy. Anybody who just walked in and gave a bank statement or a salary certificate, got a loan. Today, getting a loan for a two-wheeler has become difficult. Dealers in North and Western India are saying that banks and finance companies are reluctant to finance any customers. They are financing only 50% of the customers that the dealers are showing them. Even if he gets some customers, dealer is finding financing from organized sector very difficult to find. Even informal financiers who are financing bikes are balking at financing retailers today, financing retail customers today because they simply don't want to take the risk. A dealer in Gujarat for TVS Motors is saying his sales is 20% below Navaratri season last year. Last year, during Navaratri, he sold 350 TVS vehicles, and this year he's selling only 250. Actually, the drop is much more than 20%, but we'll be kind and say it's only 20%. And he says Diwali sales is not, inquiries for Diwali is not encouraging. If you go to Ahmedabad, to Rajasthan, a dealer sales are down 30%. In case of Bajaj, one dealer in Pune is saying that he is able to match last year's sale, while others are saying in Maharashtra, other dealers in Maharashtra are saying sales is down compared to last year. What will happen is when you flood the market with too many dealers, as these companies are doing, multi-brand showrooms, basically one dealer is going to compete with the other dealer to cut their prices and try to sell the inventory cost to cost so that they can reduce the financing cost on dealers. In the coming year, in the coming next 12 months, you will find a lot of dealers shutting stores, and the truth will come home to bite these two-wheeler companies that sales is not dramatically increasing. At best, sales will plateau at last year and previous year's results. Unless the underlying economy improves, people find jobs, people get salaries at older level, we are not going to see sales increase forever. Things are not looking good. The green shoots seem to have turned brown even before they came out. Thank you for watching. Be Rich. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification. If you use Kindle, you can buy the book using the Kindle link given below. If you want a hard copy, send a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would get in touch with you. At the very end, if you want to get in touch with me, please send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. I am grateful for your support of Be Rich.